the long grain rice for the fried rice that we're making today. We're using the long grain rice. We are using green beans, corn, broth, shredded chicken breast, pink pepper, green pepper, carrots, yellow pepper, and the red pepper. We're having our oil, and for the seasoning, we're having the soy sauce, bay leaf, curry, salt, and season powder. So let's get started. So I'm going to be pouring my rice into a bowl. So my rice is 1 kilo. So I'm going to be pouring in hot water. This will help the process of removing some of the starch. I'm going to be adding in salt generously in and allow it to soak for 2 to 3 minutes. On my cooker, I've put in my pot, I've turned on my fire. I'm going to be adding the broth, that's the mixed stock, into my pot. And add in some water. I'm going to cover it up and allow it to come to a boil. So I got a wider frying pan on the burner, and I'm going to be pouring in my olive oil. Sorry, I'm using a vegetable oil, not an olive oil. So I will allow it to get hot for 2 to 1 minute. So now it's hot a bit. If you love onions, you can add some onion to saute your oil, but I'm not going to be using onions today. I'm going to go in with my shredded chicken. I just want it to saute and have some color. I want to see the color of it. So I'm going to be washing the rice now. It's already soaked, it's over 2 minutes. So I'm going to wash off all this water and make sure it becomes plain. So you can see that the water has come to a boil. So we are going to be pouring in our rice now. So you see that the water of the rice is just a little bit above it. So you find out that the water is just a little bit above it. We don't want it to be soaked in water. We want it to come out one grain after the other. So we'll find out that it's frying gradually. So I'm going to be adding my curry in my rice. So I'm going to see the color. I want it to be, So just adding 1 teaspoon of curry, but it depends on the quantity of what you're making. My beef is ready now. I'm going to be pushing it aside and removing it. And so I'm now going to be adding in my pepper, the red pepper, the green pepper, the yellow pepper, the orange pepper. So my carrot is, I'm adding my carrot, adding all my vegetable. I want my carrot to be crunchy. So that's why I'm adding everything at this time. Look at the color. Wow. 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 So colorful. Isn't the Lord amazing? We're going to allow this to fry for a while before going into it with any other ingredients. Let the juice come out and let it get dry. So you can see everything boiling, but we are not yet there. So here is it. So our rice is cooked. Rice is cooked. I'm going to turn off the fire now and allow it to just cool down. So you can see the rice that is just standing on its own, is one. This is what we need for our fried rice. Your fried rice must not be too soft. So this is what the perfect rice for your fried rice is this. Okay. So look at it. Now we're going to be adding in our spice. I'll be adding in my seasoning, just a pinch. You find out that in my rice, I didn't add in seasoning because of my bulk. It has enough seasoning for it. Sorry, you're supposed to have had in your bay leaf, but I'm adding it now. It's just for it to get the aroma of everything. Or you can also add your bay leaf in your rice. So we've not gotten what we want. We want it to be fried. So we add in our seasoning. We are adding in our curry. And we're going to be adding in salt. So that everything we have, if you put in your everything we have taste. So I'm adding in my salt. So you add your salt to what you can take. So I just add a little salt because I'm still going to add in the soy sauce, and the soy sauce is a little salty, so you should be aware of that. So we're going to be leaving it for another 5 minutes. So now I'm going to go in with my chicken breast and then allow everything to marinate together. So I'm going to leave it and allow everything to get marinated together. So it's ready. Now the next thing, we're going to be pouring in our rice. Okay. Scrape everything so that nothing will go waste. So you're going to be turning it from the top down. That's why when you're cooking a fried rice, make sure you're using something flat, a fry pan that is wide, that you'll be able to turn around. You can look at the color, so rich, so puffy. So you can now add in your soy sauce, but it's optional. It's optional, but I'm going to be adding it in. Here. So Christmas is around the corner. You can do this and all your guests will be glad they came. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn off your notification bell. Thank you. God bless you. Our fried rice is ready to eat.